We're playing Shinkansen. I don't know how to say it. Lock the fucking. Am I stuck? Oh. Ooh. Turn back if there's an anomaly. Okay, well. Ooh, there. I can see myself. Can I crouch? Hello? I can just see my body. I look like a good young man right now. Okay. Hello, old man or young man with the briefcase and the nice shoes. Huh. Is this like what international planes look like? Are we in a plane or a train? We're in a train. A nice little train here. Okay. Some luggage. Yep. Oh, I did not say. Hey, is your mom okay? Why are you staring at me, man? Stop staring. Look, I don't have these hands. No anomaly in this area. Does that mean there was an anomaly since we're back at 7? I'm already not off to a good start. Oh, look at the cat. Meow. Hey, he's fine. Briefcase? What the f-
何してるの？また会ったね。お兄さんもゲームをしに来たの？僕めっちゃ楽しみ。
I'm super excited, he says. I was bored here because my sister is not waking up, no matter how long I wait. Doesn't seem to open her eyes. But now that I have you to play the game, I feel better. You know the rules of the game? Those are simple. See something off in the train? Turn back. Want to finish the game? Get to car 0, hit the brakes in the conductor's room. There are no anomalies in the restroom areas. Got it. Got it. I'll see you at the end then. Okay, well, how are you going to see me at the end? You've been stuck here, little kid. You haven't moved. How long have you been in here? Do you need food, dog? Hey, that kid could just stay there, so. What do I need to be looking out for? Let's see here, okay? Boom. Weren't these 3? Those are faces. Nah. Those are faces in those. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, see, look, they look normal now. You guys would have lost. You guys would have been dead. So, what's up? What's up, dude? You good? You an anomaly? Okay. Okay. Everything's looking A-okay, I think. You know. Maybe we could take a little rest real quick, take a little seat. Is this an anomaly since the kid's not here? Oh, I could zoom in. Is that considered an anomaly? We're missing the kid. I'm gonna go back. So we should be on 5 here. Uh-huh. Yep, everything looking good. Kitty cat. Yep. Nothing's really standing out to me here. Dude! Okay, maybe the kid's not supposed to be there. Fuck it. Only way we learn. Okay, the kid doesn't have to be there. So there was a different anomaly the stage before that I missed. Shinkansen 10 head to Tokyo. Let me just make sure I got this right. 0 headed to Tokyo. Okay, boom. Okay, I'm not too sure here. What anomaly? Why is the wind louder? I did. Beats me. We're going in. Trial and error. Okay, there was nothing wrong. This seems brighter. Is it me, chat, or is this brighter? Seems normal just here. Maybe it was like that step right there. Just the lighting was weird. I don't... Let me make sure the sign... This is... It's in 0 headed to Tokyo, I should say. Okay, yep. The seats look fine. A, B, C, D... A, B, C, D, E, yep. There's like normal plain stuff. Boom. The girl's there. The luggage is above them. Nah, there's no way it's clean again, right? Like the bathroom, the bathroom cannot have an anomaly according to the rules. So these are, everything looks fine. What if the kid lied? That'd be kind of deceiving if the kid lied. I don't think the kid would lie to me, huh? Alright, we're gonna go through. Hopefully she's not a fucking jump scare at some point. Okay, why did it say 23? Okay. Why did he say 23? 0 headed to... Okay. Tokyo? You guys see that up there? On the wall? That hasn't been there, right? That's an anomaly. You guys see that over there? On the wall right there? You guys see that? Yeah, slowly back up here, chat. Keep our eyes on the bad person. We're at 1. What is... Yeah, can't get me. Make sure we're on the right train. 0 headed to Tokyo. That's where we're headed. Glasses, jacket, shirt man. Check C23. There's no C23. Okay. That door just opened by itself. Oh, this is... Dude, what's... It's the luggage change. It's not luggage, it's like something else. It's something else. What is even... Are you certain? Yes, I'm certain. Alright, he's good. You good, Mud? No more numbers? Could that be the... Yo, I can't go that way. It's 30. No, I want to go that way. What is this? Let me out. Let me out. Okay. Nah. Did I do it? Hey, that was it? They scared me off for that? Huh? Why am I here? This doesn't look like the end of the game. Are you gonna say something?
お兄さんすごいね。
Okay.
成功したんだね。キョロキョロしてどうしたの？もしかしてここが運転室になってる？冗談はよしてよ。
You're only halfway
新幹
there.
線にはグリーン車があるんだよ。お兄さんなら知ってるよね。じゃあね、運転室はどこでしょ
The kid lied to me.
う？それはね、グリーン車の向こうだよ。僕が0号車の次って言ったって、0号車っていうのはグリーン車の、まあ確かそれはそうと変わったことがなかったら戻るんだよ。
When you find an anomaly, go forward instead of walking
3回
back.
間違えると、
Oh, and one more
僕はお
thing.
兄さんを
Make 3
応援してる
mistakes
よ。
and a ghost will get you.
お兄さん、なんでなんか変だなって思わない？いや、気にしないで。とりあえずゲームを終わらせよう。じゃあまたね。
I thought I was out of here, dude. Okay. I don't know if that was an anomaly or not. What creepy ass lady. Ooh, the chocolate stick things. I don't like that. I'm not fucking with that. I am not fucking with that, chat. Okay, why is he there again? Is he just always there? Huh? Were you here? Were you always here, lady? Jeez, okay. Okay. What you got on the computer? You ain't doing nothing on your computer screen. Dude, is that an anomaly? Now we gotta just leave just to test it. Oh fuck! I don't think he's an anomaly. I can't get another one wrong, chat. She's not moving. Anomaly. I can't get another one wrong, chat, or I'm gonna get hunted. Okay. She's moving. This lady's on her. Oh yeah, I forgot you have to go forward. Oh, I forgot when you have an anomaly, you go forward. Yeah. Yeah, we're saying anomaly. Okay, this fucking the back of your head, mother. Huh? Whose grandpa's in here?
お主に我が輩を騙すことは不可能。お主はスーツ
You're
を着て
wearing a suit, he says.
変だな。
That's strange.
他とは違うようじゃな。
You don't act like the others.
それだけはわかる。
That much I could tell. How long you been here for? I don't
列車
know.
の中でそれは我が輩の優れ人生84年のここにいるほとんどの人は実際の人間ではない。話しかけても反応は
They never respond when I talk to them. It's almost like robots. I know a human when I see one. So my conclusion is never trust the man in suits. Now, if you'll let me, I'm tired. Let me just sleep before I... Okay, he's taking a fucking nap standing up. And she's working hard. So do I go backwards if it's not an anomaly? I'm fucking watching you. I'm fucking watching you, lady. Green-eyed fuck. Okay. I think we go back. Oh, we gotta go forward. He's standing up though. I don't want to go forward. He's not sitting down no more. And the lady with the cart's not here. Oh. Okay, chat. I think we just run by him looking down. I don't want to... That's where she was. Just moving forward. She's doing great. No. Really on 6? Did we fail one? She's on her computer. Yeah. Looking scary, fuck. Okay. He's looking good. I think we go back. Oh! Look at her! Look at her in the mirror! She's crazy! We gotta go forward. Turn back if no anomaly hurt. I understand it now. I gotta let her see. I gotta let her get in the light, dude. Her face looks a little fucking different, huh, chat? Let me take a fucking look at your face, woman. Hmm? She's doing good. Green-haired guy just being fucking annoying. He's still bald. Big and bald. I don't think there's an anomaly though. Oh my god, we're doing it. Okay. Everything's looking pretty normal. Snacks looking the same. Why is he there, dude? He doesn't have to be there. I think this is another good train car. Oh, gotta go through it. You think we'll ever get out of here alive? Think about your sister, I said. Homeboy's not doing okay. Why don't we bring the kid with us, dude? If the kid's trying to get out of here, why aren't we bringing him with us? Okay, we're doing pretty good. Like, follow me, kid. I'll get us out of here. You know what I mean? Gotta make sure them hips are the same. Was this the same jacket? Yeah, I think it was. I think it was. I don't think there's anything else. Was that light always in that seat? Fuck. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say it's always been there. Okay. Oh, dude, we're in the fucking clouds right now. Okay, here we go. Train car 0. Hey. Get me the fuck out. Huh. Get me out, man. I don't want to be here anymore. I've done enough for our community. Hey. Yeah, old man looks good. Conductor's room. But do we go back, or since this is the last room? Oh no, we go to the conductor's room. Okay, it won't let me go back. Alright, good luck, chat. Come on, please don't. Did I do it? Ending 1. I did it! I'm not scared of no ghost. I think ghosts could stop me? Stop me from ever getting out to where I need to get out of? Nope. This is what I do, chat. This is what I do. When you're like